Taking both arms up to the sky. And exhale, lower back down, taking the hands to the hips. So we're looking for a nice wide stance, at least one of your leg lengths between one foot and the other. Taking the hands to the legs. And from there, walking the hands down the legs as you hinge forward, trying to keep the back nice and long. So try not to round through the shoulders and drop through the head. Try to keep the back nice and long. So if that means you're up higher, you might be more flexible, you might be able to come down lower. It doesn't matter where you are, as long as you're feeling a stretch for you in the backs of the legs. Breathing in and breathing out. There's no tension in your toes. See if you can wiggle your toes. Draw the stomach in, and as you inhale, rising back up, bringing one leg in and the other, and giving the legs a little shake out. Well done.